let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to do plus sign, all four almost same size, and then I will do circle here. Then I will pull this side, all four sides same size, almost same size, and then I will do another circle. Now erase this one and all lines from inside of the circle. In the middle of this one I'm going to draw one rectangle shape, and from this corner and this corner I will start, and I will do kind of like a drop shape this way, and then same thing I will do this side. Now from the top of this rectangle I will go this side and this side and make two curvy lines, and then I will try to connect from here to here like that. So this one you can adjust according to your loop. Now from here I'm going to draw one line, and other line will be here, and then alphabet W. Other one I'm going to do alphabet W, and then I will pull up. Now so these three of them we can see, and then one here. So in the middle I will make dot. Now from here to here I will do one line like this, and then I will double it. Same thing I'm going to do here, one, and then I will double this one. And the middle one we can see over here. So this is the first one, so we will leave this one, but here on the bottom I will curve this one like a smiley face over here. So first, this is the first line for this one, so I will curve on the bottom. Here we cannot see, this one we cannot see. Now we will go for the second one. Second one will go on the top. So this top one we will go only on the top. Now over here I will do some bumpy stuff, little bit here curvy and some random style.